Good day to all. Myself Lakshmi Ashok, doing research under Dr. George K. Verghese and Dr. Santosh G. Thampi at NIT Calicut. Topic for today's presentation is payoff calculations when game theory is applied to biodiversity conservation. This is the general outline of my presentation. Biodiversity conservation practices results in environmental conflicts that can be resolved by using game theory. But one of the major challenge in applying game theory is the difficulty in calculating payoff, that is the outcome of the game. Objective of this study is to demonstrate payoff calculation when a nature-man conflict is formulated as a game. Here, the case selected is in the Western Ghats of Indian state of Kerala. This is the overall methodology of the study. First step is the proposal of a buffer layer. Based on an expert survey, a layered buffer is proposed around the protected areas of the Western Ghats for biodiversity conservation. It was decided to adopt a two-layer buffer of total width 5 km, inner layer 2 km and outer layer 3 km. Next step is the identification of players, that is the people who will be affected by the proposal, and categorized into two, government and the residents. Next step is identification of strategies, that is how people will behave to the proposal. Each player has two strategies as shown in the table. Next step is the calculation of payoff, which is the most important and difficult step. Here, payoff depends on extent of area to be protected and restriction for various human activities. Areas affected identified by providing buffer layers around the protected areas, and village is selected as demarcation unit. Activities that were to be restricted compelled based on an expert say. This figure shows the affected areas. This table has the activities restricted in layer 1 and 2. For calculating payoff of both government and residents, an equation is formulated. In this case, the loss of livelihood for residents due to restrictions in activities cannot be directly calculated. So, a revealed preference technique is adopted. Residents are classified into four different working classes and affected villages subdivided into different categories based on number of households, which is the criteria for selecting the sample for survey. This figure shows the subdivision of affected villages based on number of households. Sample for survey is selected proportional to number of villages in each category, and in sample villages, survey is conducted for different groups among working class. A chi-square test is conducted to test whether the sample selected represents the population. All other components of the payoff decided according to right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013. Even though payoff calculation differs according to the situation, the steps involved can be generalized as shown in figure. Here, a two-player non-cooperative game can be attempted and solution is the Nash equilibrium. Concluding, this study focuses on calculating the loss of livelihood for residents when game theory is applied for biodiversity conservation. It also proposes steps for calculating indirect values of payoff in case of environmental conflicts. Thank you.